Righto, welcome back to the 40 channel. Today we're going to strip the chassis, get it completely stripped down, the axles off, every single nut and bolt off it, every bracket's going to be removed off it, get it ready for sandblasting and painting and make it look brand new, and then we'll start building back up again. I've got Jack, he's going to help me today.
Yeah.
Thanks boy. Let's get into it.
Hope you enjoy.
I've got a bit to learn about this 40. Right, now I've got the two drive shafts out. Just in case these get separated, I want to know where they line up so it's all balanced the way it was. So a little number punch, I'll put a little R here, and an R here, R for rear, and F for front. Perfect. A little bit nervous, because the last time I saw this done, project wrong way, well, Benjamin nearly killed his wife doing it. So, what I'm going to do is going to keep my wife and kids completely away from the situation, and we'll see how we go. Had a missing lifting point, so I ended up making one out of some angle line. So we'll bolt that up and hopefully it's strong enough to lift the motor. We got 4 bolts all up, 2 under the transmission, and 2 over on the engine block. So this is the passenger side bolt, engine mount bolt. I went to undo it. I thought, oh, that's finger loose. No, it's not even doing anything. Incredibly, that's just been sitting there. That's just totally stripped out, and that castle nut was just sitting on there. Unbelievable. If I hadn't pulled the motor out, I would have never found that and wouldn't have known. Anyway, at least we know now we can fix that up properly. Righto, we did it without dying. Happy days. Alright, so we got the motor out. A little bit scary, only because of what I've seen happen on YouTube to other individuals. But it's out now, so that's good. Whew. Righto, so the engine's out. found some issues that need to be addressed. So originally I wasn't going to pull the motor out. Originally I wasn't even going to pull the cab off. Originally I wasn't going to change the colour. But here we are. Anyway, few issues. So both engine mounts are cactus. They're as bad as a screaming galah. So I'll show you the issues with them. Another issues with the other end of the chassis. On the rear springer mount, there's a crack in the chassis. Not a big issue. I'm pretty confident I can fix that. So I'll just have to order some new engine mounts and fix that little crack up, and basically clean it all up and give it a new paint job, make it look brand new. Just cleaning down the last few panels that need to be wrapped aligned inside. Well, I've sent my boy out to pull some things off the chassis.
It's not working.
Well, why are you in here? You're supposed to be pulling the stuff out.
It doesn't work. I need your help.
Righto. I'll be out in a second. Clean this down and I'll come out and give you a hand.
Nice. Okay, let's go.
Push that out. Don't use your hand as a hammer, go get a hammer. A dead blow hammer.
Where's the hammer? Dad, I need your help. Can't get it off.
Where's the dead blow hammer?
That works.
Knock yourself out the other side.
Doesn't work now. Should have given me those tools before I started.
You're not having much luck, are you?
No, I think this is a strong hammer. Let's try again. Oh, you're kidding me.
No, I just broke that.
No.
That's still going to come out. I need to soak that with some WD-40 and we'll give it out with the hammer.
Get out, you. Ah, man.
One big hit. Got it. Whoops, it's gonna fall. Andy, get down.
Nice. Now we've got the back one to go. You got one more.
Look at that little sucker in there. Destroyed his home now.
finished.
Well done, buddy.
Thanks.
Got it done.
Yes. That's how you strip a chassis. For another day, we're probably going to just sandblast it and we're going to paint it up. Thanks for watching the 40 channel. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below.